everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will be seeing a checkbox chart in Excel. If you see, we have two checkboxes, joinee and resignee over here, and we have the data of the joinee and the resignee. If we select only resignee, you see only the resignee details and the title says resignee. If you select both, we see both of these details and the title says joinee and resignee. And if you just select resignee, you see only the joining details. So what you select in the checkbox determines what you see in the chart and what is the title. It's a completely dynamic chart. So example, if you make 5 over here, the chart changes. So let's go ahead and create this chart. We have the basic helper structure. First, we need to create our checkboxes. So go to developer, go to insert, and from here select the checkbox. So I have put the first checkbox and I name it as joinee. I again go and I select the second checkbox and I name it as resignee. Now if you see, we have two checkboxes. I will share your link with you on how to add the developer tab in Excel if you don't have it. So you can check that link out and add the developer tag. So you need to add the developer tag, go to insert and add checkbox in the form controls. Remember you have two checkboxes, ActiveX and form. You need to add it from the form control. So right click and select your checkbox. Go to format control and link a cell. So I am linking this cell over here for joinee and I say OK. Let's do the same for the other. Right click, format control, cell link, and I have selected this cell over here and I say OK. Currently you can't see anything. You select it, you unselect it. You see, unselection you get false, selection you get true and true. So next we will see our title. So if both are selected, we want joinee and resignee to be written here. And if either one is selected, then we need to give the respective tag like joinee or resignee. And if nothing is selected, we need to tell please select one criteria. So let's go ahead and do that. So you say if, first we say or, if either is selected. So you select this cell over here and this cell over here. So first we are saying if either is selected. So that means either joinee is selected or resignee is selected. Then you say if both are selected. So you say true and you say true. So if either is selected, then we will check if both are selected. And then we say joinee and resignee. Else if either one is selected. So if joinee is selected, then we say joinee. Else we say resignee. Let us capitalize this R and we close this if. We close the other if. So the last portion of our if. So if either is selected. So the last portion is if nothing is selected. So we say kindly select one criteria. And just write it and we close it. So if you see, currently both are selected. So we see joinee and resignee here. You select one, you get resignee, and you select nothing, you get kindly select one criteria. We'll go through this formula once again. Let's continue creating our chart for now. So first, in this format, we go here and we say if joinee checkbox is selected, then return me the joinee, else return me NA. And we close this. Let us drag this down. If you see currently we have NA written over here as joinee is not selected. Let's select it. We see the joinee details. Let's do the same for the resignee. We say if this resignee checkbox is selected, then return to me the resignee, else return me NA, and we close this. So I have dragged the formula down. I have selected resignee, you see the resignee details. I have unchecked joinee, you see NA everywhere. Let's go ahead and create our chart. Select both of these, go to insert and insert a clustered bar chart. Let's go ahead and check both. You see joinee and resignee is present over here. Let's remove the grid lines. Let's go ahead and change the colors. So format data series, in fill, I am putting joinee in a green color, and resignee, you can put it in a blue color. So currently I'll just put the chart down. You see here we have a joinee and resignee. As we change the selection in the checkboxes, the chart changes accordingly. Let's go ahead and bring it onto our chart. And do the same for the resignee as well. So we have added both onto our chart. Let's remove the axis from here. And it's a completely dynamic chart. So resignee changes, so you don't see resignee details. Next is to adjust our chart title. So remember we had created a title earlier. So just select this chart and link it to the title cell which we have created. Let us put it in black color and bold it. So now if you see we have joinee and resignee written here. You uncheck, you see just joinee. You uncheck both, it says kindly select one criteria. The last step is adding the data label. So select this and add the data labels for both of the series. And your chart is updating automatically. It may take a little flash second because of the checkbox which you have added for the data to be viewed, but it completely works. You can group all these objects together. So I told you we will see the title once again. So let's go to the title. I am saying first if or both are selected. So I am saying if both are selected. Either the joinee is selected or the resignee. It's an or condition. So if either is selected, then it may be that one is selected of the two or both may be selected. So first we are checking if both are selected. If both are selected, then it's joinee and resignee. If both are not selected, and since our first condition is if or either is selected, then it means either joinee is selected or resignee is selected. So the second part says if joinee is selected, then give me joinee, else give me resignee. And the last part is if both are selected. So the other portion would be if nothing is selected. So we say kindly select one criteria. So this is a dynamic title. So this is how you use checkboxes in Excel and create your chart. Please use the developer tab. It is very helpful. And I have put a link in the description box on how you can add the developer tab. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.